handle now is two successive discounts of 20% and 15% is equal to a net discount of A 30%, B 32%, C 35%, D 37%. See, this is a discount problem. This is a discount problem. It is discount is whenever I talk about discount, it is reducing something from some value I will reduce something and then give it the final value. That is what is discount. So here what happens is the value is not given, a net value is not given. So I will have to find out what is the exact value. So once the variable is not there, I will always treat it as x. So I will treat my original value as x. I will treat my original value as x. Now I will have to give a discount of 20%, means on this x I will have to give a discount of 20%. So it will be minus 20 by 100 of x. So this will be equal to LCM is 100. So it will be 100x minus 20x. This will be equal to 80 by 100 of x. This will be equal to 80 by 100 of x. Now this is one discount. When I give a discount of 20% on x, it becomes 80 by 100 of x. But they are talking about two successive discounts. Now I cannot give 20 by 100 again. I cannot give 20 by 100. Successive means on this 80 by 100 of x, I will have to give a discount of 20%. On this 80 by 100 of x, I will have to give a discount of 20%. So this will be 80 by 100 of x. It is 80 by 100 of x minus 20 by 100 of 80 by 100 of x. So from this to 80 by 100 of x, I will have to reduce 20% of this 80 by 100 of x. 20 by 100 of x minus 80 by 100 of x minus 20 by 100 of 80 by 100 of x. Now this will get cancelled and this too will get cancelled. So sorry, here the question is talking about 15%. So this is not 20%, it will 15%, 15 by 100 of x. It will be 15 by 100 of x. Successive discount of 20 and 15. I have made a mistake here. I said 20%, 15 by 100 of x. Now this will get cancelled and this will get cancelled. This will be 2 and 2. Sorry, 4s are, no 2s are, this will be 4, this will be 5 and this will become 25. So this will be 15 by 125 of x. This will be 15 by 125 of x. So here what will happen is 15 by 125 of x, LCM of 100 and 125, or you can also cancel this. This will be 5 and this will become 3 by 25 of x. So it will be 80, the LCM will be same 100, LCM is same 100. So 80, this will be minus 12 will be of x, because x is there in both sides. It will be 80x minus 12x. So this will be equal to 68 by 100 of x. 68 by 100 of x. Now what is happening is the x value, I am selling it for 68 by 100 of x, means I have reduced some amount. So I will have to find out what is the exact amount and find out the percentage. So it will be x, from x I have given a discount which will be 68 by 100 of x will be equal to 100 is the LCM. So it will be 100x minus 68x, 100x minus 68x will be equal to 32 by 100 of x. So the discounted amount is 32 by 100 of x on x. So discount percentage will be 32 by 100 of x divided by the base value into 100. Now this x and x will get cancelled, 100 will get cancelled. This will be equal to 32% discount. The answer is 32% discount. This is the way of doing it, but the easier way of doing it is, whenever it is a percentage problem, you can always treat the base as 100 if the values are not given. If the values are given, you cannot treat it as 100, it will go only with the values. Here the values are not given, you can treat the base as 100. So when I am going to treat the base as 100, minus 20% will be just 20. The advantage of 100 is 20 on 100 is 20. So this will become 80. Now on this 80, I will have to give a discount of 15%. So 80 into 15 by 100 will be equal to 12. Now the actual discount, you don't have to do 12, subtract here and make it 68, 100 minus 60, you don't have to do. 20 is the first discount, 12 is the next discount. 20 plus 12 will be 32%. The answer is 32%. 20 plus 12 will be 32%. This is the way of doing it. 20 plus 12 will be 32% discount. So 20 plus 12 will be 32% discount. 32% discount. So this is the shortcut of doing it. Understand this problem, then understand the shortcut. Real time, just 100, 80, 68, then 32% is the answer. So it's a oral problem which has done only in 5 seconds time. So unless you practice, you will not get all this. Follow the channel. Wish you all the best.